a featureless floor of volcanic sand. A problem for this octopus. There's nowhere to hide. This flounder will rip the arm off an unfortunate octopus. Time for some next-level shape-shifting. He transforms into such a good likeness of his enemy. He fools even a real flounder. An impersonation so good, it's earned him his name. The Mimic. Damselfish. They hate strangers invading their space. And they've got a nasty bite. So the Mimic transforms into the one thing they won't mess with. The venomous sea crate. Their worst nightmare. The damselfish are certainly convinced. He's aware of what each one is scared of and can exploit their fear. This is strategy and manipulation, traits we associate with human-like intelligence. Shapeshifting is an art that octopus have perfected, transforming themselves to find food and avoid becoming someone else's.